Wondering how I created this look? Well, welcome to my channel. I'll be taking you step by step on how I achieved this look. To start off, we're going to prep the brows. I'm using a spoolie to brush out my brows. Next, I'm going to protect my brows using petroleum jelly so that latex does not stick to my brow. I'm using Cryolan liquid latex, a makeup sponge. The next step is totally optional. If you feel comfortable using with it, you can. If you're not, you just skip it. This helps to further stretch my skin. So I'm going to be pouring out the liquid latex and applying it to my skin. I'm applying thin layers of liquid latex around my skin, and I'm going to blow it out with a blow dryer. Once it turns clear, I'll powder it with a translucent powder. You can do 2 to 3 layers or 4 even if you want. I just did 2 layers in each of my cheeks, the other side of my face, and also dry and powdered. I was stretching out underneath my eyes to create wrinkled eye bags, then blow dry. Stretching out my forehead, I apply a thin layer of latex on my forehead, blow dry it, and then powder with a translucent powder. Then the last part, I'm going to be applying liquid latex on it, stretch out my eyebrows and apply underneath my eyebrows. So after that, I'll be taking out the papers from my mouth because I don't need any more. I'll be applying foundation on my skin to tone the liquid latex to my skin shade. My foundation I'm blending it out with my beauty blender. Using my Zaron palettes, I'll be adding shadows to my smile lines, underneath my eyes, and also creating shadows on my temples, on my forehead, on my chin, just basically to enhance the wrinkles and smile line. Using my midnight bruise wheel, I'll be using the red shade to redden underneath my eyes and my waterline as well, top of my lids. Using the brown shade from the same bruise wheel, I'll be adding blemishes, skin tags, and moles around my face. I wasn't satisfied with the shadows I created, so I went back with the brown shade and enhanced the shadows. Using my midnight bruise wheel, I added wrinkles to my forehead and also enhanced the shadows on my temples and my forehead. For the lips, I used the brown shade and the blue shade and create darkness around my lips. I went off camera and I aged my neck piece, and now I'm applying shadows and wrinkles on it. Using my benign white clown, I applied it gently using a spoolie on my brows as well as my lashes, just to create that gray hairs on the brow lashes. Voila, that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share and comment. Let me know if you want to see more of this or you want any other video you want me to recreate. I will sure do so. Thank you guys so much for your support. Bye.